Why are ice cream trucks so expensive now? The price jump might surprise you because it's not just about inflation. Let's uncover the hidden reasons behind these chilly price tags. One major factor pushing ice cream truck prices up is the steep rise in fuel costs. These trucks often run on gasoline or diesel, which have seen significant price hikes in recent years. Additionally, maintenance expenses have increased due to the complexity of refrigeration equipment that keeps ice cream frozen on the move. These combined operating costs force vendors to charge more to stay profitable. Supply chain problems have also played a big role. Ingredients like milk, sugar, and flavorings sometimes face shortages or shipping delays. Packaging materials such as cones, cups, and wrappers have also become pricier and harder to get. This means ice cream truck operators pay more upfront, which translates into higher prices for customers. Governments have introduced stricter health and safety regulations for food trucks, including ice cream vendors. These rules often require expensive equipment upgrades, regular inspections, and costly permits. Compliance adds to operating expenses, which sellers pass on to buyers. These regulations ensure safety but contribute to the rising price of your favorite frozen treat. Labor costs have also climbed. Ice cream trucks need drivers and servers who often earn higher wages than before due to minimum wage increases and labor shortages. Providing competitive pay is essential to keep the trucks running smoothly, but it also means prices for ice cream treats go up as businesses cover these expenses. So the next time you wonder why ice cream trucks cost so much, remember it's a mix of rising fuel, supply chain struggles, tougher regulations, and labor expenses. These factors add up to keep your chili favorites on wheels but pricier than before. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.